Hello guys, welcome back. So, kanina na napanood natin yung video na kasama ni Triple H si Cody Rhodes. And sabi, hey, you know what we're doing with the Saturday Night's Main Event match? It's all about retro, all about the 80s and 90s. And merong gun case doon, no? Meron ng gun case doon sa video na yon. Tapos, hey, sabi ni Triple H, may ginawa kami special para sa'yo. So after nun, this is going to be a retro title, but remember, it's all one night only. So in-unveil ni Cody Rhodes, binuksan niya yung case, and merong gold spark sa nangyari sa mukha niya. And then Cody nag-smirk sa camera, and alam na natin kung ano tong ano yung nasa loob ng gun case. Ito yung WWE Winged Eagle Championship. Ngayon, ang WWE Winged Eagle Championship ay one of the most prestigious titles sa buong industriya ng professional wrestling from the 80s and then from the 70s into the 80s. So, yung Winged Eagle Championship, ang dami-dami ng legends na nag-held nitong championship na to. From the likes of Stone Cold Steve Austin, to Hulk Hogan, to Bret Hart, Shawn Michaels, The Undertaker, and marami pang ibang mga legends, no? So, very prestigious tong WWE Winged Eagle Championship. Ngayon, sinasuggest na to ni Cody Rhodes na he wants to bring back the WWE Winged Eagle Championship. Ngayon, kung naalala nyo, nung naging Intercontinental Champion si Cody Rhodes, nung dati, mga let's say 2013 o 2012, binalik niya yung classic Intercontinental Championship na kulay puti. So, ngayon, natupad na yung gusto niya, which is yung the Winged Eagle WWE Championship. And gagamitin lang niya tong Winged Eagle na to for Saturday Night's Main Event. Sabi ni Triple H, you can use this WWE Winged Eagle Championship for one night only. That is in Saturday Night's Main Event. So sa Saturday Night's Main Event, nandun si Jesse the Body Ventura. So basically doon gagamitin ni Cody Rhodes yung classic Winged Eagle Championship. So ayun lang naman. So ibabalik ni Cody Rhodes yung Winged Eagle Championship. And ano reaction nyo dito? Let me know in the comments. And kung gusto nyo pa pag-usapan na sa damakmak na wrestling and gaming, follow na niya ako dito sa TikTok and YouTube. Peace out!